Bill Hammond here with the Elder Law Question of the Week. I was speaking to someone recently and they said, Bill, what's the lesson that we should take away from family interactions over the holidays? And I said, well, that's a really great question. Things that you ought to know and certainly ought to know going forward. There's really some questions that you ought to ask anytime you're dealing with aging parents. And the first would be, do you have a plan in place? And the plan can be very simple, it can be complicated. It's really not the point. The question is to make sure for your clients or for your parents for that matter, do you have a plan in place? And by that I mean at the very minimum, powers of attorney for finances, for health care. Do they have a living will? Have they put together their advance directives and said what they would want to have happen in the event that something bad happened to them? So that would be the first thing. The second thing is, and I don't mean to be crass in this, but it's really important. Where's the money? If you've got an aging parent or a client or someone, and they've been the person who handles all the finances, and then God forbid they have a stroke or develop Alzheimer's or something, all of a sudden, lots of times we turn into Sherlock Holmes. Not uncommon for people to come into my office and dump out the shoebox, and now we're looking and we don't know if stuff is still in force. So, to know at least where things are, the custodian, the banks, the IRA holders, all of that, and the account numbers. That can be really, really important in a time of crisis. And then the third, this may sound simple, and it's simple when someone is, doing very well, but later on this can also be really important, and that is, who are your advisors? Do you have an attorney? Do you have an elder law attorney? Do you have a CPA or a financial advisor? Who does your taxes? All of those types of things. So find out, do they have a plan in place? Find out where the money is so that things can be taken care of in the event something bad happens, and then find out who their advisors are, the people that would have the information and be able to tie all of that together. So anyway, that's the elder law question of the week. If you've got a question you'd like answered, then just go ahead and click and shoot us an email and let us know, and we look forward to speaking with you in the weeks and months ahead. Thank you.